Hi guys. Today you're going to learn about adding prices together, and this is specifically strategies used often to buy produce, such as your vegetables and your fruits. So, up top, you will see some examples of how some of those items are sold. So you're going to notice there's pretty much two different types of ways that produce might be sold. It might be sold per pound. So things like broccoli, bananas, and apples are sold by the pound. Other things, um, like on this list, the cucumbers, the cantaloupes, and the lettuce are sold by however many you buy. So the easiest one is each head of lettuce is 99 cents. So if you buy two of them, you would multiply 2 times 99 cents, and that's how much it would cost you to buy the lettuce. Other times, they might kind of like bundle fruits and vegetables together. So, for example, cucumbers. If you want to buy 3 of them, it's going to cost you $2.99. And usually you buy them in sets of 3. So, if you want more than 3, you might buy a set of 6. And that would mean that you would buy 2 packages each that are $2.99. Or cantaloupes are 2 for $5. So, if you need more than 2 cantaloupes, maybe you need 4 of them, you're going to spend $10 because 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, so you're just going to go through these 3 steps down here to add up all the prices down below for the 16 problems. So what you do is you first want to write the cost of the item, and most of these are in decimal format. You want to make sure that they're all written as decimal point in each of the prices. So for example, broccoli is 97 cents. You're going to write that as 0.97. Then you're going to find out how much of that you're buying. So when you're buying by the pound, you're going to multiply the price times the number of pounds of that item you're going to buy. Multiply those two numbers and get a final answer. So it's going to cost this person to buy 2 pounds of broccoli at 97 cents a pound. It's going to cost $1.49. Bananas, they're just going to buy 3 pounds of bananas, and that's how they're sold. They're sold in 3-pound packages. So they're just buying one of them for $1. And lastly, like I mentioned, lettuce is 99 cents per head. They're buying 2 heads of lettuce, so 2 times 0.99 would give a total of $1.98. After you find the individual prices for the fruits and the vegetables, you're going to have to add them all up, and that will give you a total cost for the prices. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do 2 examples together. Again, we're going to need to use this chart up top here to actually come up with our solution. So let's do numbers 2 and numbers 12. So I think I'm going to start with number 12 first. Just make it a little bit easier. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write all the prices for each item down, and then at the end, we're going to add them all up. So we're first going to buy broccoli. Remember, broccoli is 97 cents per pound. So again, your calculator might be handy. We're going to type in the price in the calculator, so 0.97. My calculator is not working very well. Oh, let's try this again. Calculator. Okay, so calculator is not working. So let's do, let's just use the calculator on Google. Okay, so we're going to do 0.97, and we're going to multiply it times the number of pounds of broccoli we're buying, which is 6. So multiply times 6, and that will give us $5.82. And that's just for broccoli. Next, we're going to buy cucumbers, and we're buying 3 of them. So lucky for us, cucumbers are sold by the 3, so we don't have to do any math here. Cucumbers are going to cost us $2.99. Next, I'm going to buy 3 pounds of bananas. Again, bananas are sold by the 3-pound packages, so that's going to be $1. 2 cantaloupes. Cantaloupes are also sold by the pair. That's going to be $5. And lastly, we want 1 head of lettuce, and that's 99 cents. And remember that decimal point is very, 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 very important. So let's go ahead back to our calculator. Let's clear it, and let's add all these prices together. So 5.82 plus 2.99 plus 1.00, or $1, plus 5.00, $5, and plus 0.99, 99 cents. All that is going to give us a grand total of $15.80. So remember that you have to have 2 place values after the decimal. So you're going to need to have a placeholder 0 after that 8. I will not accept an answer of 15.8. So I won't accept this answer. Will not accept 15.8. I will also not accept 15.80. You have to have that dollar sign in front. If you don't, I will not accept those answers. Okay. And now let's go on to the other problem we're going to work on together, which is number 2. So we are still talking about cucumbers and lettuce. So this time we're buying 3 cucumbers. Again, they're sold by the 3-pack. So we're going to be spending $2.99 on cucumbers. And this time we're buying 2 heads of lettuce. So each lettuce costs 99 cents. So again, come back to our calculator. Okay. So 1 head of lettuce costs 99 cents, so 0.99. And we're buying 2 of those heads of lettuce. So we're going to multiply it times 2. That gives us a total of $1.98 for the lettuce. And lastly, we're buying cucumbers and lettuce, so we need to add those 2 things up in our calculator. So we have $2.99, 2.99 plus $1.98, 1.98. I missed the decimal, so that's going to make a huge difference in my answer. So let's start over again. 2.1.98 will give us a grand total of $4.97. So now I want you guys to go back and do the other 14 problems that are left over, making sure that you include a price for each of the single items that you're buying and then a grand total. And feel free to circle the grand total so it kind of sticks out with it. Okay. Any questions, please see Mrs. Antonucci or ask the substitute for support, or save your work in your notebook until I'm able to get back to class. Okay, have a great day, guys. Bye.